This is update number 2. I'm currently building a satellite image analysis library. Since the last time I fixed the machine learning layer, I built it out and essentially added a preprocessing class that allows for contrast and sharpening, which does not work as well as I hoped. As of right now, it's actually better if you don't use the preprocessing enhancements. After that, I made it a single version. Later on, I want to add a probability model, essentially combining the confidence of 20% or 15% and 10%, and giving a range of vehicles that might be there rather than one hard number. So the problem I ran into is that YOLO's model right now is not trained on the specific images I have, so it doesn't recognize it. So if we look at the image, this is what was before. Running it, you can actually see it made 9 different bounding boxes, but only one was on the vehicle. And even more so, in a image of full of vehicles, it only found 2 objects of interest, and those happen to be planes. Moving forward, I will be training a custom model and limiting the AI to simply search for small vehicles. Essentially, planes become useless at this level, and I think for all intents and purposes, as of right now, ships are also not of interest. That's a quick update. Essentially, we built out the machine learning layer, added in the core features and some utility features and a visualization feature. Honestly, the hardest part of this was this part, which was drawing the bounding boxes for an OBB, which the difference between that and a regular model is that OBB is rotated. Apart from that, I think now is going to be the frustrating part of training a model to essentially see the small pixels that humans can barely see. But that's where we're going. If this road doesn't work, the next step would be to change the satellite provider a smaller focus. That's it for update 2. In update 3, hopefully you will see a lot more cars outlined in this image.